This is what we call, guys and girls, hot honey. Change for the replacement for the hot sauce, the usual hot sauce, guys and girls. Guys, finally, even though I'm not yet finished, but I know I'm satisfied for this midnight. Last night, some kind of a sad experience on dining in here, because I didn't meet the satisfaction wherein I ordered for their combo, which cost 499 plus additional 30 pesos for a drink or a beverage, 30 pesos a medium glass. Now, I could probably say that I'm totally satisfied. It's really worth the price for the price of 799. There's a discount of more than 500 pesos. It's so good. Basta. Cheers. Hold on, guys. Miss, pwede pa lessen lang ng volume ng konti. Thank you. And oh gosh, how I wish the sounds doesn't hear in my video. What else should I gonna say? Happy Halloween to each every one of you. Tastes so good, guys and girls. I'm over here. By the way, see that's still smoking, freshly cooked. I really miss eating in here. You know what, guys and girls? Before I order for this one, I talked to the supervisor that about my sad experience on dining last midnight. I told her that the pasta is some kind of a small portion, and I want her to tell the marketing head about my dismay on my eating pleasure here. No, my eating experience. By the way, thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings that you give and for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Hold on. Some kind of a tiring. And to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, also to Helen Carreto, Monet Pacheco, and to each every one of you, okay, to my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much, each every one of you. And to all my Facebook followers and Facebook viewers, hi. And to all my silent subscribers in YouTube, thank you so much. And thank you for the numbers that you are giving me on my channel. Just you, man. Hold on. Love it. Oh gosh. There's supply. Sorry. And then I also told her that they should revise the recipes of the chicken that they serve to me. It's some kind of a dry, tasteless, and soury. So, you know me, I have a very high on taste buds. Hold on. Alfonso tangy, tasteful, delicious, yummy. Gosh. All good, guys. Have it? Oh gosh. Wow. I meet the satisfaction guarantee. And she listens to me about my dismay on eating here last midnight. Happy Halloween. And I told her that I don't care if it is a pricey one, for as long as I will meet the satisfaction on eating this kind of food. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality and the price. Or it's not all about the price, but the quality and quantity. Right? Still want for more? I think that would be all for now, guys, because my shoulders some kind of a tiring. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Still one.